Hey friends, this is Angel at beingtheirmom.com, and we're here to do an unboxing of the journals that I created. So one of the things that we're working on is our writing and our feelings and creating a safe and happy space for us, for ourselves. So one of the ways that I decided to do this was create journals for the kids, and on the face of the journal have representation of them. So I think Amani may have had a sneak peek while I was doing some creating. I created them on Canva and then moved them over to BookBolt so that everything would be sized perfectly. And then from BookBolt, moved everything into KDP. It did take a little bit of time to get them approved. Some were instantly, some I had some issues with, but that'll be another video. I'll show you guys how I did that and what seemed to run smooth and what didn't. But we're so excited to see them, right, Amani? All right, here we go. So they came in two different packages. One came in this, and then the other came in the boxes. I'm not sure why they came separately.
It looks like it's already open.
Yeah, it looked like we had a little bit of a box, got into a fight with something. But okay. Can you stop eating and open the box, please? I'm so excited. So I made one for each grade, kindergarten all the way through 5th. And I'm so excited.
I didn't make it all the way to 6th.
No, kindergarten through 5th grade. One for boys, one for girls.
Yep. Oh, and I also, this is a surprise. I'll show you guys this one later. We're gonna slide this one aside. Okay. So,
Your hands. You're eating. Look at your hands. Go wash your hands. That's why I asked you not to eat.
I want to
She
show
never listens. Okay, well, hurry up. Wash your hands and dry your hands. Well, while she's doing that, I'll show you guys what I did for myself. So what I did while making something for the kids, I was like, I'm gonna make something for myself. Well, guys, I love the feel of this. It's the matte finish, so they have a matte finish and a glossy finish. And this is a matte finish, and the feel is so smooth. So anyway, what I did is I created a journal for myself as well. And it says, Dear God, can we talk? And so it's a daily devotional journal. Now it's just a blank journal. This is what the inside looks like. On my pages, this one says grace. And on the opposite, it just says grace. So when I did the original one, it said grace, and on this one, right on this page here, it said love. I don't know what happened. So that's that. So that's kind of disappointing, but they did come out really nice.
Did you get that
So
one here?
this is this one here. This one is available on the website beingtheirmom.com, and this one, it's just a journal. And so on the back it says, not sure how to pray? Dear God, can we talk? Is your solution. Many find the easiest way to pray is to simply talk to God. Talk to him like he's your, like he's your best friend. Write your ups, downs, prayers, aspirations, dreams, and goals. Before you know it, your prayers will come naturally and your relationship with the Creator will be stronger. I'm so excited. I was really excited for this one to come. So this is my little piece. Now let's see theirs. Okay. I'm not sure. I really thought that my journals would be in here. So I'm not sure what's going to be in here.
So
Okay. So this.
First grade journal sketchbook.
Yep. So go ahead.
It says, I'm important, I'm amazing, I'm brave, I'm helpful.
Unique.
I am unique, I'm creative, I am
Resilient. I am
courageous,
courageous.
I'm smart, I'm strong, I'm loved, I matter, I am
capable,
capable. I am grateful. I am enough. And I am determined. I am perfectly me.
and so that's what all of the little boys' ones have on theirs. And so we have, hold on, let's get them all in order. Let's take all the boys' ones out.
The rest are green.
So here's the kindergarten. Isn't he cute? So there's kindergarten. Yep. Here's
First grade.
first grade.
Second grade.
Nope.
No, fifth grade.
Let's do them in order.
Oh.
Second grade. So what are we doing? We're missing one.
I think it's that one. No, that one's a girl. Okay, yeah. Fifth grade.
Nope. That's your
Wait, we got
brothers.
two
Yes,
fifth
because I
grades.
ordered two. One for your brother, one for you. Here, if it's a girl,
I think
just
it's this one.
okay.
Third grade.
So there's our third grade. Here. Oop, I didn't mean to scratch you. Third grade.
Fourth grade.
Put it up closer so I can see.
Fourth grade.
There's our fourth grade.
And here's fifth grade.
There's our fifth grade. Aren't those so cute? I'm so excited. And so what we're going to use them for, we're going to use them for the kids' spelling words because they can never seem to keep up with their spelling word notebook. We can use them for creative writing, just, you know, a little journal for themselves as well.
So here's.
Here, switch me spaces. Switch me places. And then Amani's going to show you guys. I'm just going to get them in order. There.
You
Okay,
get them in
show our
order.
friends those.
So here's the kindergarten. And on the back it says, I am beautiful, I am amazing, I am brave, I am helpful, I am strong, I am creative, I am
Resilient.
resilient, I am courageous, I am smart, I am important, I am loved, I matter, I am capable, I am grateful, I am enough, I am determined, I'm perfectly me.
Exactly.
So this is the kindergarten.
You can put it face down. Okay. No, I'm giving to you them in order.
First grade. They'll say the same. I want this one.
There you go.
Second grade. Now let's see what person I get for my grade.
And what grade are you in?
Third grade. And fourth grade. Oh, look at the back.
Do they feel nice?
Yeah, it feels so soft.
Do you like that pattern?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here's fifth grade.
Now with the children's books, what I did, now this is Amani's. When I ordered one of each because I want to use them as marketing. But what I did is I ordered two third grade and two fifth grade because Amani's in third grade and Nehemiah is in fifth grade. Now with the journal that I showed you, the Dear God Can We Talk, the inside is just blank, okay? Now with the children's books, it's a little bit different.
Oh.
Yeah, so when you open the book, they have their All About Me page, which is pretty cool.
Oh.
And then they have one that's on the, so the All About Me page is just on the very first page. And then inside you have where they can draw, where it says My Artwork. And then on this side they have their date and where they can do their journals. So they can journal, they can do their spelling words, they can do, excuse me, whatever you want to use this for. Now with my children, what I want to do with them is, this is her third grade journal and I want to use it as third grade. So I want her to take the time and write things out about her this year. And then what we're going to do at the end of the year, we're going to put it away. And then next year, we will bring out the 4th grade, and then 5th grade we'll bring out the 5th grade journal. And the purpose is I want to save these for my children. I want these to be their keepsake journals. That way, when she goes to middle school or high school, she can pull these things out and see how far she's come.
And I can remember all my memories that I had in all the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade.
Yep, so she can have all her memories, so she can remember what happened in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade. And this year is very, it's been very interesting for my children because we moved here. Let's put this up a little bit. So this year has been very interesting for my children. We have moved here all the way from Indiana. We're in Texas, and there's so many new things that they are experiencing, so many new things that I'm experiencing. And that was one of the reasons that I wanted to get a journal also. And I forgot I ordered 3 of these, one for myself, and I'm gonna be able to use one for marketing and be able to gift one to one of my coworkers at work. So I'm really excited about these. I'm so happy how these printed out. KDP gosh, these books look so nice. And then I noticed on the back, oh, that's pretty cool. So on the back, inside the book, there's an extra page that's posted, and it says that it's made in the USA in Monroe, Illinois. No, Monty. I thought it said Monroe. It does not say Monroe. Monty, Illinois. And it puts the date, which is pretty cool. October 15, 2023. So that's pretty cool for me as well.
It's right here.
It is.
If you go read it.
Yeah. I think it may be backwards because we got the camera flipped. I'll have to remember that next time for the next video.
If you want to scan this to see
I think it's just when you buy things. I think there's just a way to track the books. There's nothing they can do with them.
track the book and so you can buy it.
But we will leave a link to these. You can either order them from Amazon, or you can order them from our website. Thank you for unboxing with us. We'll see you later, friends. Bye. And tell friends bye.
Bye.